Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can check, verify and confirm if actually your MemeFi is connected to your OKX wallet on the SUI network. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can do that, and in case you've not done that task, I've already made a dedicated video that will show you how you can do the task, of connecting your MemeFi to your OKX wallet on the SUI network. So guys, it's very important to do that. That is one of the criteria to actually receive your MemeFi token during the airdrop time. So what you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to the description of this video or over to the comment section. I'm going to be leaving the link right there that will teach you on how you can do the task to connect your MemeFi, your OKX wallet on the SUI network. I'm saying this because you have to first of all do the task before you can think of confirming if actually the task was done successfully. So guys, let me go ahead now to show you guys how you can be able to check, how you can be able to confirm and verify if actually you've connected your MemeFi to OKX on the SUI network. So guys, the first step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see N. You can see where it is written N right there. The arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see connect OKX wallet on SUI. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it right away. Wow guys, you can see what's written here. Thank you for completing the task. Your OKX wallet is now connected. So guys, if you can find this thank you message right here, if you can see this congratulatory message right here, then it's a confirmation that you've actually connected your OKX wallet on the SUI network. So guys, this is a confirmation. So if you can't find this, you have to look for a way to actually do this task, because it's one of the criteria to actually receive your MemeFi token as it has been reviewed. So guys, now let me go back now. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.